Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, Family Home Kitchen. Ever wondered how to make the perfect spring roll filled with vegetables and chicken? Today we'll dive into a simple, yet delicious recipe that's sure to impress. We're talking about fresh, crisp vegetables, tender chicken, and delicate glass noodles, all wrapped up in a light and crispy spring roll sheet. Whether as a quick snack or a main dish, these spring rolls are a delightful addition to any meal. By the end of this video, you'll be able to prepare your own delicious, nutritious spring rolls at home. First, you need to prepare all your ingredients. The joy of cooking starts with great preparation, so let's dive in. We begin with 4 sheets of spring roll wrappers. These are usually found in the international aisle of your grocery store. We then move on to the chicken. Grab 200 grams of chicken breast. Boil it until it's fully cooked, and then slice it into thin strips. The chicken adds a lovely lean protein to our dish, making it not only flavorful, but also healthy. Next, we'll prepare our glass noodles, also known as vermicelli. Soak them in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. You want them to be soft and flexible, ready to be bundled in the spring roll wrapper. Now let's move on to the vegetables. We'll need a carrot, a cucumber, half an eggplant, and half a bell pepper. Slice each of these into thin strips. The thinner they are, the easier they'll be to roll up in the spring roll wrapper. Finally, chop up some fresh parsley for garnish. This will add a pop of color to our dish, as well as a fresh, herby flavor. And there you have it. All your ingredients are prepped and ready. Now that you've prepared your ingredients, let's move on to assembling the spring rolls. Now comes the fun part, assembling the spring rolls. This is where our colorful ingredients come together to form a delightful and nutritious bite. Let's start by preparing a bowl of warm water to soften the spring roll sheets. This is a crucial step as it makes the sheets pliable and easy to work with. You'll want to immerse each sheet in the water for about 10 to 15 seconds. It's just enough time for the sheet to become tender and flexible, but not so long that it falls apart. Once the spring roll sheet has achieved the right consistency, lay it out on a clean, dry work surface. Visualize a canvas ready for your culinary masterpiece. Now gather your thinly sliced boiled chicken, glass noodles, and finely cut vegetables. In the center of the spring roll sheet, start arranging your ingredients. You don't want to overstuff it, but ensure you have a good balance of chicken, noodles, and vegetables. This combination not only provides an array of flavors, but also ensures a satisfying crunch with every bite. The next step is all about technique. Begin by folding the right and left sides of the sheet inward over the ingredients. Then start tightly rolling it up from the bottom all the way to the top. It's a bit like wrapping a gift, where the aim is to keep everything inside nice and tidy. This process is repeated for each spring roll sheet. It may take a few tries to get the hang of it, but don't worry, practice makes perfect. And remember, even if they don't look picture perfect, they will still taste fantastic. Once you've repeated these steps with all your spring roll sheets, you're ready to serve them up. Whether you're enjoying them as a light snack or as a main dish, these spring rolls are bound to impress with their vibrant colors, crisp textures, and a fusion of flavors. And the best part, they're as wholesome as they are delicious. Enjoy. Now that your spring rolls are assembled, it's time to enjoy them. Picture the crunch of the fresh vegetables, the tender chicken, and the soft noodles, all wrapped up in a delicate spring roll wrapper. To elevate this delightful symphony of textures and flavors, serve these spring rolls with sweet chili sauce or soy sauce. The sweetness or umami kick will complement the fresh ingredients wonderfully. But the joy of homemade spring rolls doesn't stop at the basics. Feel free to play around with the recipe. Perhaps you fancy adding more of your favorite vegetables, or maybe you'd like to try a fiery hot pepper sauce or a tangy peanut sauce. The beauty of this recipe is its flexibility. So there you have it, fresh, homemade spring rolls filled with vegetables and chicken, ready to be dipped, savored, and enjoyed. They make a satisfying meal that's not just delicious, but also light and healthy. Enjoy your homemade vegetable and chicken spring rolls, a light, healthy, and satisfying meal. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for all new updates in the world of cooking.